Hello everyone, welcome to Academic Access. Get a daily dose of 10 questions in 2 minutes. Official residences around the world. What is the President House called in India? Rashtrapati Bhavan. It is at New Delhi. Where does the Prime Minister of India resides? The 7 Lok Kalyan Marg. Previously it was called as 7 Racecourse Road. Which is the official residence of the governor in India? Raj Bhavan. It is the common name of the official residences of the governors of the states of India. White House is the official residence of the president of which country? United States. Which is the official residence of the Pope of the Catholic Church? The Vatican Palace in the Vatican City. Where does the King and Queen of Britain reside? At Buckingham Palace. Which is the President House of Korea? Blue House. Which is the official residence of the Prime Minister of Sri Lanka? Temple Trees. Where do the French President reside? Elysee Palace. Where do Pakistan President reside? Ivan Izadar. And now it's time for the question of the day. Which is the biggest residence of any president in the world? Write your answer in the comment section below. If you like my videos and want to let me know, please hit the like button. And I will be posting videos daily to the best of my ability. So subscribe and also leave a comment if you have any topics for me to post. Thank you for watching.